Are you overwhelmed as a landlord dealing with the day-to-day tasks?
Man, that is one of those things that can absolutely chew up a landlord. Now, with Mary and I as a team, we are here to help you with those tasks. We do everything for you. We collect the rent, we manage your maintenance. So let's say the faucet is leaking on the bathtub. I send that out to a vendor, which we have absolutely fantastic vendors that work for us on a day-to-day basis. Do the move-ins, we do the move-outs, we do the neighbor complaints. We do everything for you so you don't have to worry about us. Now, one thing is, Mary has to put up with me. Now, how is that? Like, that can be a little challenging some days. But the good thing is I have Mary as a team member, and we work really well together.
We also do all the showings of the property. So we advertise the property, we market the property, we do all the pictures of the property. Sometimes we do videos like this of the property, and then we show it to all the tenants and screen the tenants. We also have an extensive background check on them.
Yeah, and you know what? We get to come to places like this and see the train, which is just a shorty today,
Yeah.
but it's coming across the video or across our path. But we will take things in stride. We want to be the best managers that we possibly can for you so that we eliminate all of those late night hassles. It sucks as a landlord to get that call at 2, 3 in the morning that the sewer's backed up. We deal with everything. Now, if something goes wrong, I'm going to take that on myself. Mary does not get blamed for that. I'm the lead in that. So I'm the one that's going to get blamed, and I guarantee you with Mary's help, the two of us will manage your property at a level that is beyond what you could do on yourself, where you could win back your life.
We've also got quite a bit of experience between the two of us. So I've been in property management for over 15 years. I also worked for a builder before that. I have my own rental properties that I've dealt with, and grew up with parents with rental properties. So I've been really involved in everything to do with property management for a long time.
Yeah, and that really is the key. Like as a team, we bring a lot. My background is I've been in real estate from, back in 1993 is when I started as a property manager. I've been a realtor. I am currently a realtor as well. I've been with Home Time now for over 5 years, just doing everything within Home Time. And we do have a really good brand in the background. The back end administrators, our IT people, the maintenance team, we really do bring, I mean, we're bragging on ourselves, but we really do have a spectacular back end support system to make us look good. Now, I have many people to make me look good because I do need that. I'm not the handsomest guy in the world, but hey, we have that. Now,
I just wanted to add something. So in 1993, when you started,
oh yeah,
I was still in middle school.
Okay, really, I'm really quite old, so thanks for pointing that out. I appreciate that. So during that time, from being a property manager, I was also a home inspector. So I had AmeriSpec Home Inspections. I ran that company, and I also taught for the federal government energy evaluations, so the built green certified homes, that kind of stuff. And I was a paramedic firefighter and a few other things in between. So our combined knowledge of how properties work and tenant relations and just working with the public, we've been out there a lot. She may be young, I'm kind of an old fart, but you know, we've seen it and done it. So, and she didn't have to agree quite so fast, but yeah. So now, if you would like more information, please go to your comments, and in the comment box, just put in info, and we'll send you out more information about what we can do on a little bit of a deeper dive on each aspect. And it can be from move-ins, move-outs, what our screening process is, all of